Hello everyone, Namaskara. Welcome to Yashaswikannadavaani. Ellarigu Yashaswikannadavaani YouTube channel ge swagata. This is our 9th lesson. I'm really sorry I couldn't meet you on Monday and Tuesday. Because of that reason, we'll be extending our class on Friday and Saturdays. Okay, so this week we'll be having classes from Wednesday to Saturday. So yen ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. This is our 9th lesson. In the last lesson, we learned about the courier, the delivery section. So I hope you have understood, you are getting comfortable slowly with the language. I'm really happy to know about it. I'm really sorry I couldn't go through the comment section. I'll go through the comment section as I promised. We'll do one more video on all of your comments, all of your doubts and questions, all of your answers. Everything will be covered in that video. So even the lesson, it's very important. Recently I had uploaded a shorts, a YouTube shorts, and also in Instagram a reel which is about the I'm fine, which is Channagiddini. So most of the places we get confused. Instead of saying I'm fine and I'm Channagiddini, we say Nan Channagidde. So when do I use Channagidde? Channagidde, I'll use it for the objects. I'll use it for the animals. I'll use it for the birds. I cannot use it on the people. I cannot say Nan Channagidde. I should always say Nan Channagiddini. I am fine. So based on this concept, we have the class today. And also, if you can remember, we have already done this a little bit from the day one. The word ide and ittu. This is very important, very basic. Ide matte ittu. We have already understood ide is used in a present tense. Ittu is always a past tense. Ide is a present tense. Ittu is a past tense. I have meeting, ನನಗೆ meeting ಇದೆ. I had meeting, ನನಗೆ meeting ಇತ್ತು. So, okay, so this is what we have learned already. Okay, so ivaga we'll take a set of sentences. So these set of sentences we'll look at in both present and past. Okay, na? So first sentence is, where is it? Where is it? So where is the meeting? Where is the event? Where is the wedding? It can be anything. So where is it? Yellide. Yellide. See, you have ide here. Yelli plus ide, yellide. Meeting ellide. Event ellide. Nin parcel ellide. Nin bag ellide. Nin is nothing but your. Singular. If you have to take it with respect, ನಿಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೈಕ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. Make a note of few sentences. Keep it aside because you are going to comment all these sentences in the comment section. So make a note of those sentences, write it down, then we'll continue with the next sentence. Okay, so this was our first sentence. We'll go to the next sentence. So now for example, I'll ask bag ellide. Bag ellide. So for that answer is, the bag is here. The bag is here. Bag ellide. Bag is here. Illide. Bag illide. Bag is here. Bag illide. Bag illide. Bag is there. The bike is there. Bike allide. Bike allide. Bike allide. So when you split, it will become all. Plus don't worry about it. Just remember alli. Alli means there. Illi means here. Remember these two words. Illi is here. Alli is there. Alli also has another meaning which is in the meeting. Meeting alli, which is a conjunction. So don't worry about it. We'll do it slowly. Okay. So as of now, remember this. Illi is here. Alli is there. Allide, it is there. Illide, it is here. Fine. So we have learned these two. Now the same thing, we will put it in the past tense. So how do I put? Instead of a ide, you have to put ittu. So mobile illittu. Mobile was here. Mobile illittu. Mobile allittu. Bag allittu. Bag allittu. Allittu. That's it. Illittu, allittu. I'm really sorry for the background noise. I'm not finding the right time. Whenever I start video, ಏನಾದರೂ noise ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we can't do anything. Okay. So ಇವಾಗ we'll go with another kind of answering. So now instead of saying allide illide, I'll say it is on the upstairs or it is somewhere above, up, above, upstairs, on the shelf which is on the top. So anything which is above the top. So what is top, above, up? We call mele. Mele. Male. Mele is complete version. So if you want to say male. So male, how do you write? You have multiple ways to write the male. You can write M-A-I-L. You can write M-A-L-E. So whichever sounds perfect for you. ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಚೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ವರ್ಡ್, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. Whichever you find it good, you will write it. And most importantly, these words, make sure that you will try to translate and understand in your native language, in your mother tongue as well. Okay? So now let's come to this. It is on the top. Melide. 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 It is on the top. Melide. Melide. Melittu. It was on the top. Melittu. 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 Now you are saying the opposite of mele, up, is down. What is down? Kelage. Kelage. The opposite of it is kelage. Kelagittu. So kelage, a l pronunciation, your tongue dip has to touch upper palate. L. Kela. La. Kelagittu. Kelagide here. Kelagide. Kelage. Kelage. Mele. So here, kelagittu, it was down. Kelagittu. 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 So we have learnt alli there, illi here, mele up, kelage down. Next one. Any doubts, any questions? If you have any doubts, any questions, please write it down in the comment section. Okay? So now I will say it is inside and outside. It is inside and outside. In and out. We'll learn two more words. Okay? Inside is Vadagittu. Again, la pronunciation for Vadage, just like a Kelage, your tongue tip has to upper palate. La, Vada. Okay? Vadagittu. So Vadagide, it is inside. The dog is inside. Nai Vadagide. Vadagittu. Vadagittu. I have to finish fast now. Last one. We have that the waste garbage, the lorry baratte. They'll play a songs. Last one is it was outside. Horagittu. Horage. Horagittu. Horagide. It is outside and it was outside. Horagittu. The blanket was outside. Blanket horagittu. Slippers horagittu. Slippers horagide. Fine. So now just what was our question? The main question was where is it and where was it? For this we have n number of answering ways. This is what we looked in our today's class. We have few more ways of answering. We will be learning that in tomorrow class. That is the reason this 9th lesson is a continued and 10th will be continuation of the 9th lesson. Okay na? So what and all we learned? Alli is there, illi is here. Mele is up, ಕೆಳಗೆ is down, ಒಳಗೆ is inside, ಹೊರಗೆ is outside. So please be comfortable with the complete pronunciation as of now. Tomorrow we'll look into the few more words and we'll make sure that the pronunciation is getting better for us in tomorrow class. Okay na? So please comment maadi. Sentences very very important. Comment section is like a very active participation. It is very much important, very much needed. Share this. I'm going to off this because the gadi is here. I have to off it. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow 10th class. Namaskara.